From space, Earth displays a mesmerizing array of colors. The deep blues of the oceans, the lush greens of forests, the golden hues of deserts, and the stark whites of polar ice caps create a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. The ISS orbits at an altitude of about 400 kilometers, 250 miles, providing a vast yet detailed view of the planet's surface. 2. Sunrises and sunsets, 16 times a day. Astronauts aboard the ISS experience 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets daily due to the station's 90-minute orbit around Earth. These are some of the most spectacular sights, with the sun illuminating the thin atmospheric layer in fiery oranges, deep reds, and soft purples. The transition from day to night is incredibly rapid, offering a time-lapse-like effect. 3. Aurora borealis and aurora australis. The auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights, appear as glowing ribbons of green, red, and purple light stretching across the atmosphere. These breathtaking displays occur when charged solar particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, creating a dazzling show that is even more vibrant when viewed from above. 4. Thunderstorms and lightning flashes. From space, lightning storms look like bursts of white and blue light scattered across the planet's surface. Massive storm systems, such as hurricanes and typhoons, take on a spiral formation, revealing their immense size and structure. The ISS captures these natural events in real time, providing valuable data for meteorologists. 5. City lights and human activity. At night, the lights of cities and towns illuminate the darkness, tracing coastlines, roads, and urban centers. Some of the brightest areas include Tokyo, New York City, and European capitals. The contrast between brightly lit cities and vast, dark landscapes highlights the presence of human civilization on an otherwise natural world. 6. The vastness of oceans and deserts. More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, and from space, the deep blue oceans appear endless. The currents, cloud reflections, and even algae blooms can be observed from orbit. In contrast, vast deserts like the Sahara appear as golden expanses with sand dunes forming intricate patterns. The Namib Desert, with its sharp contrast against the Atlantic Ocean, is particularly striking. 7. The thin blue line, Earth's atmosphere. One of the most profound sights from space is the thin blue atmosphere surrounding Earth. This fragile layer, only a few dozen kilometers thick, sustains all life. Seeing how delicate and small it appears against the blackness of space gives astronauts a deep appreciation for the need to protect our planet. 8. The moon and stars from space. Unlike on Earth, where the atmosphere scatters light, space offers a crystal-clear view of stars. The moon often appears in the background of Earth views, with its cratered surface visible in great detail. Sunlight reflecting off the ocean can sometimes create a stunning moonlit shimmer seen from orbit. 9. Ice caps and glaciers. The polar regions, covered in massive ice sheets, contrast beautifully against the dark blue of the oceans. The ISS provides a direct view of shrinking glaciers and melting ice caps, offering valuable insight into climate change. The Arctic and Antarctica appear bright white, often surrounded by frozen sea ice. 10. The overview. Effect. Many astronauts describe a profound shift in perspective when viewing Earth from space. This phenomenon, known as the overview effect, evokes a sense of unity, showing how interconnected and fragile life on Earth is. Borders disappear, and the planet is seen as a single, living entity floating in the vast emptiness of space. Final thought. Every image of Earth from the ISS reminds us of its beauty, complexity, and the need to preserve it. The views serve as both a scientific marvel and an emotional experience, inspiring awe and appreciation for our home planet. Would you like any specific details or a focus on a particular aspect of these views?
Aurora. At night, Earth glows with the lights of cities, outlining continents. The ISS also captures dazzling auroras. Green, red, and purple light shows caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with Earth's atmosphere. 3. Cloud formations and storms. The ISS provides a unique perspective on weather patterns, from swirling hurricanes to vast cloud formations stretching thousands of kilometers. Lightning storms appear as flickering bursts over the darkened landscape. 4. Oceans and landscapes, vast blue oceans, deserts, mountain ranges, and forests appear in striking detail. The Great Barrier Reef, Amazon rainforest, Sahara Desert, and Himalayas are some of the stunning features visible from space. 5. Thin blue atmosphere. One of the most striking visuals is Earth's delicate, thin atmosphere, which appears as a glowing blue layer around the planet, emphasizing how fragile and unique